Hello and welcome to my channel. In this video today, we are going to study the periodic table. The periodic table describes and gives us the elements that exist in the world. It shows us the metals and non-metal elements. In these elements that we are given in the periodic table, we are shown the atomic number of the particular element, which will be written on the top left corner, and you also have your electronegativity on your top right corner of the element, and it also shows you the relative atomic mass of that element. So in the periodic table, you have groups and you have periods. When you are going from top of this list going down, this is a group. As we go down, this is a group. And when we go across the periodic table from left to right, we call it a period. From left to right, we call it a period, and that is why it is called a periodic table. Let's look at the example of hydrogen. Hydrogen has a relative atomic mass of 1 grams, and its atomic number is 1, and its electronegativity is 2,1. So what this tells us is that hydrogen has got 1 electron in its outer shell. This atomic number gives you the number of electrons that exist in that particular element. Let's look at boron. Yes, this is boron. Boron has an atomic mass of 10,8 grams, whilst it has an atomic number of 5 and an electronegativity value of 2.0. This 5 for the atomic number, it also means boron has got 5 electrons. I'm going to do another example with you. Let us look at chlorine. Chlorine has got an atomic mass of 35.5 grams, an electronegativity of 3.0, and an atomic mass of 17. And this means chlorine has got 17 electrons in each atom of chlorine. We are going to now start looking at examples and what these atoms look like with the exact number of electrons that they have. Let's look at a hydrogen atom, what it looks like. So hydrogen has got 1 electron and it has an atomic mass of 1. So that means hydrogen will look like this. It will have a nucleus, shade it, and it will have the outer shell, and this is where we have 1 electron. Let's put it there. That's what hydrogen looks like. Let's look at another element. Let's look at hydrogen, helium. Let's look at helium. Okay, let me not rub this one. So helium has got 2 electrons. If you have your periodic table, refer to it. It will show you that helium has got an atomic number of 2, which means it has 2 electrons. So that means we are just going to add 1 more electron. So that is what helium looks like. This is helium. And when an atom looks like this, it has got 2 electrons. The first shell in an atom has got 2 electrons, and it is balanced that way. It is stable. Yes, the correct word is stable. It is stable like that. That's why you find helium in the last group of elements, and those elements that you find there in that group, we call them noble gases. They are noble gases in the sense that they are stable, they are non-reactive. So let's look at another noble gas that we see there. which is just after helium, it's neon. Okay, the next noble gas there is neon. Okay, why is my pen not writing? Okay, we find neon, which has a symbol of Ne. Neon has how many electrons? It has 10. The atomic number tells us the number of electrons we have in that element. So neon has got 10 electrons. That means we have to add more shells, right? So let's add another shell there. Now, when we are drawing the electrons in our atom, let's start by putting, we have 2 already, so that means we need 8 more. We need 8 more, so 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Now you can see that the electron shells are full. So that means this particular atom is stable when it looks like this. So this is what all the elements that you find in the group of noble gases look like. All their electron shells are full. They are stable. Let's look at another example. All right, this time let's look at carbon. Yes, let's look at carbon. So we have the nucleus, then we have the outer shell. The first shell has how many electrons? 2, right? 2 electrons. Then the following shell, how many electrons that does carbon have? It has got 6 electrons. So we have 2 there. That means we need 4 in the outer shell. So how you draw them is like this: 1, 2, 3, and 4. So you now have 6 electrons in your carbon atom. So this is what the carbon atom looks like. Let's do one last example. Let's work with magnesium. Okay, I'm just gonna write this symbol. Magnesium has got 12 electrons, so that means we'll draw the center in the first shell, which has 2 electrons, and the second shell, which is how many? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 2, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12. So that means we need another shell. Then we will draw the 2 remaining electrons. So this is what your magnesium atom will look like. So I'm gonna ask you to try other examples. Try to draw aluminium, try to draw silicon, all those. Try to do one element from each and every group in the periodic table. Happy studying. Thank you for watching this video, and if you like these kind of videos, don't forget to like and to subscribe and share with your friends. Until next time, goodbye.